the pain across my back, but more on the right-hand side.
Okay.
So when I do this, I can feel it from here all the way down to my shoulder, somewhere down here, and also somewhere down here.
Somewhere down here.
As well.
Okay.
Also hat Beschwerden hier oben im Nackenbereich, der geht schon hier beidseitig, aber hauptsächlich rechts. So it's more the right side. Yeah. Hauptsächlich rechts entlang.
Okay. And do you have anything here?
No.
No. Okay.
Also keine Beschwerden auf dem Rücken.
And you have a little bit on this side?
A tiny bit here.
Okay.
Just there.
Und die linke Seite ist hier leicht betroffen.
And can you tell me right now how much pain do you feel, or tension, or?
It changes all the time. Right now it's quite little.
Okay.
It's probably 2 or 3 out of 10.
2 or 3.
But it can be very high, up to about 5 or 6, maybe more sometimes.
Okay.
Also der Schmerz, der variiert sehr stark, aber jetzt ist er gerade so bei 2 bis 3.
Tender here? You're a tough person.
Also er hat jetzt hier nach Aschepunkten geguckt, er hatte aber keinen...
Oh, you're trying to avoid needles. No pain.
Er hatte aber hier keinen schmerzhaften Punkt. Also der Mensch, du bist aber hier hart im Nehmen. Er sagt, oder du vermeidest hier...
Here I'm kneeling on the heart channel.
Hier ist sie jetzt auf dem Herzmeridian.
And now I'm kneeling on the pericardium and pericardium.
Jetzt nadelt sie entlang des Perikardmeridians.
Okay. I would like you move gentle without testing. You just move.
Und er soll jetzt erstmal wieder leicht hier alles bewegen, nicht testen, sondern einfach erstmal
Very good. And now you tell me, where do you feel the pain?
Und jetzt soll er sagen, wo er den Schmerz fühlt.
Tiny bit lower down the back here.
Ah, now it's in the back. So this is gone.
Seems, yeah. Tiny bit here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, right there. Exactly.
So, like
Yeah.
small.
Oh, in the back.
Yeah.
Okay, here and tiny bit in the back here.
More to the right.
More to the right. Here.
More, a bit more.
A bit
there,
more.
yeah.
Okay, there. Just here and here a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. That okay? You turn a little bit so people can see.
So, also er hat jetzt getestet und hat einen schmerzhaften Punkt auf dem Rücken, oder 2 sozusagen, und ihr könnt hier mal sehen, genau die beiden Areale tun jetzt noch weh.
Thank you. So I add one more point on the heart meridian.
Also sie nadelt jetzt noch einen zusätzlichen Punkt auf dem Herzmeridian.
Little bit.
This one?
Not as much.
Okay. And one on the lung.
Und einen auf dem Lungenmeridian.
Okay. And now you can move again.
Nochmal lockern.
Oh, that's big moving. Okay. Okay. Anything left?
Oh, it's very free.
Very free?
Yeah.
Ja, also es fühlt sich
There's
sehr frei
something more
an.
down, lower down here.
Even lower down? So here or lower?
Up a little bit.
Here.
Somewhere there. Not much.
Not much. Okay. Let me just test. If not, then I think this one just needs to work a little longer. Here?
A little
A little bit. Okay. So you earn one more needle.
Also er hat eine weitere Nadel verdient. Es gibt noch ein bisschen, also da tut es noch ein kleines bisschen weh, nicht mehr doll.
Okay. Now you can do again. You're trying hard on yourself.
There's something down there, but I don't know where it is.
Okay.
It's more towards my shoulder.
Oh, shoulder.
Yeah. But it's so small.
Let it work.
Yeah.
Okay, just relax, let it work, and later, if this is still there, then I will treat it. But I think it's just the needle, they need a little bit more time.
Okay.
But am I correct if we say that 80 to 90% is gone?
Yeah, it's very free. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Give me a five.